Hi, this is Amazing Ken. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what is percentage of parent column total. What's the difference between percentage of row total? So let's take a look here. So we have 3 years of data and subdivided into quarter and right for each of the country. So we have this data here, right? If we just copy this out here and we get a total which is a million. So how much is 528 to this total of the year sales? And that is 28. Now this total is actually considered the parents of each of this quarter, and that is what is parent column, right? So in this whole column, the parent is 2016. For this, the parent is 2017. And for this, the parent is 2018. So once we have that, right, we can right click on this, choose show value as, and we choose percentage of parent column total. Exactly with this, right? That's how we turn that. And now what is the difference uh, if we use this percentage of row total? The percentage of row total, right, does not look at the parents. They look at the total for the entire row. So for example here, we get the total here, which is 5 millions, right? So how much is it 500 to 5 million? So we can take a look at this, right? So click on this B6, divide by this figure, it's 9.81%. So which is this? So does that make sense that you want to know 9% out of a different year, right? Probably not, right? Because they are of different parents. So we don't use that. Instead, we use the percentage of parent column. Thank you. Remember, if you think amazing, you believe you're amazing, you can do amazing things. One step at a time, you can do amazing things. I wish you well.